afternoon, everyone. We're here today to celebrate the launch of Every Frilly Thing, the lifestyle boutique store, the only lifestyle boutique store in Kingston, Jamaica. So here, I have the pleasure to welcome one of my closest friends, the lady behind this store, the lady who thinks of every occasion, the most thoughtful gifts, my dear friend, the queen of Every Frilly Thing, Reshma Vaswani.
Thank you, David, for that introduction. I hope everyone has logged on by now. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this new normal type of celebration where we have every frilly thing. It's an amazing space. It has a little bit of everything for everyone. We have things for men, babies, kids, new moms, new brides, newly divorced that needs a picker-upper. We have it all here. We have everything for your party needs as well. And we're always open to suggestions. We want to grow, and we want you to grow with us here. I wanted to create a space that would make it easy to add the extra cherry on top for your events, whether you're an actual event planner or not. Better yet, I wanted to create a space for both the host and the guests, where planning and gift giving is as easy as 1, 2, 3. And ta-da, Every Frilly Thing was born.